I am delighted to join you all in celebrating this Diamond Jubilee of Akashvani Imphal and 90th year of Akashvani Network. I extend my warmest congratulations to everyone who has contributed to this remarkable journey. The staff, artists, composers, engineers and countless others who have made Akashvani a trusted voice across generations. I would also like to put on record the stellar performance here by Padma Shri Guru Reuben Mashangwa and Manka. Thanks for their wonderful performance to this audience. 90 years of Akashvani is not just a milestone. It's living chronicle of India's growth and resilience. During our freedom struggle and the early years of nation building, radio became a powerful symbol of unity and hope. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore's poetic renaming of All India Radio as Akashvani, the voice from the skies, beautifully captured its spirit. And who among us does not recognize the signature tune of Akashvani, which continues to resonate in our hearts every morning. As a child in Punjab town of Jalandhar during the 1971 war, the only communication available those days was to listen to Akashvani and get to know what is happening at the borders, in the war and all those places. Akashvani Imphal has completed 60 years of service. I understand it made its humble beginning on 15th August 1963 actually within the Raj Bhavan complex, and then Akashvani Imphal has grown into a vital institution and informs, educates and entertains people across Manipur and now across the world also. Over 6 decades, it has played a key role in promoting national unity, preserving cultural heritage and strengthening social harmony. Its programs in multiple local dialects have brought voices from remote regions to the mainstream, fostering understanding among diverse communities. The station is known for its accuracy, integrity and ethical journalism, and its engineers have shown commendable innovation by developing tools for 24/7 YouTube live streaming channels, a pioneering achievement among Akashvani stations in the country. As mentioned by DG Akashvani, that it is now in the cyberspace also. I would in lighter way add that earlier it was Akash, now you have a cloud added to it actually. Media is changing very fast and it's faster than ever. Everybody says digital technologies have revolutionized, and so as our Akashvani has kept pace with it. Though citizens are now empowered to receive information at much more faster pace, but it has its own challenges also. We get fake news, sensationalism and biased reporting. For a society as diverse and sensitive as Manipur, truthful and responsible journalism is vital. Media must act as a bridge that connects communities, not as a wedge that divides them. When reporting on sensitive issues, restraint and balance are as important as courage. The journalist's pen and broadcaster's microphone are powerful tools. They can either heal or harm. The responsibility to use them wisely rests with every media professional. Media, often called the fourth pillar of democracy, must remain impartial and fearless. It should question authority when needed, but never become an instrument of division or political bias. Equally important is the tone of public discourse. Debates on television or digital platforms should inform and enlighten, not descend into personal attacks or hostility. True strength lies in reasoned discussion and respect for differing views. Criticism of government policies is welcome in a democracy, but incitement, glorification of violence, or communal provocation must find no space in responsible journalism. Mahatma Gandhi ji once said, the newspaper is a great power, but just as an unchained torrent of water submerges the whole countryside, an uncontrolled pen serves but to destroy. The media holds in its hands the power to shape society's direction, for better or for worse. In Manipur, the media's role is especially significant in fostering peace, unity and progress. As we celebrate 60 years of Akashvani Imphal, let's reaffirm our shared commitment to truth, balance and harmony. May Akashvani continue to be the voice that unites, educates and inspires generations to come. Before I conclude, which I must fast because you are having a cultural program to follow and many of the artists have come and are sitting in the audience, I would like to wish the whole Akashvani Imphal family all the best and many more future many more years of progress and success. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Manipur.